Okay, so your documents, please. Everyone, your documents. Anybody has document, please? Or blue card. Do you have your document, please? You don't have. You don't have your document? No, not here. You have your document? No. Okay. So what should we do? Anybody has document, please? Anybody has a document over here, please? A little document, just a little document. A blue card. Anybody has a blue card? Okay. Your documents, please. Hello, mister. Your document, please. You have a document? Mister, you have a document? Do you have blue card? Blue card, where is it? Okay, let's see, where's your blue card? A little blue card. Aha, it's blue. Mister, is this blue card? This is not a blue card. This is blue, orange, red. Red. Mister, this is a red card. You should not bring this on board. You should get the blue card, mister. You should go through the scanner, please. Otherwise, you don't get on the board. Please go. Make. So you have something in your pocket, mister. You have something in your pocket. Let's see what you have in your pocket. Mister, open your pocket. Thank you so much. Let's see what you have. Let's see. Okay, you can have this. That's okay. So let's see what else you have in your little tiny pocket. Okay, another one, mister. Okay, very fine. Very good. Thank you so much. What you have in your pocket, mister? Oh. So let's see what you have on your pocket. Let's see. This is a blue, mister. You cannot bring this kind of nationality flag with you on board in our great democracy. We accept only blue card. This is blue card. No, this is not blue card. This is a flag from Australia, mister. Please go through a scanner. Make. How you have something else in your pocket, mister? Show your pocket, please. Let's see what you have in your pocket. Okay, mister, you cannot bring this on the board. This is impossible. This makes tick tock. It can explode. It can explode. It's dangerous. It can kill everyone. You can be a terrorist. No, you cannot be. Please, mister, go through the scanner. Make. Oh my God, you have something else in your pocket. Show what you have in your pocket. Mister, open your pocket. Thank you so much. Let's see what you have in your pocket. Oh my God, this is really big. Let's see if it will go through. Okay, it will go. It's good elastic. It will go through. Mister, let's see. What is this? It's a red. It's something. Srečko Kosovel. Justice. What? Justice? What kind of justice, mister? You don't need justice. We have a lot of justice in our great Trump democracy. Yeah? So you cannot bring justice with you on board. It's dangerous. It can kill everyone. Yes? Okay, let's go again. Make. Oh my God. So wait a moment. I forgot something. Mister, show what you have in your pocket. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. Boarded card, that's okay. Something else. Okay, let's see what you have in your pocket. Mister, you have something in your pocket. I forgot something very important here. Ti, Medar, da imaš kakšno baterijo mogoče samo? Eno baterijo zrihti, no. Res malo, en problem imam, res. Ne to baterijo, eno tako majhno baterijo zrihti, no. Nimaš? Pismo nosno. Eno baterijo zrihtite. Make, mister, show what you have in your pocket, please. Yeah, thank you so much for your cooperation. Oh, 20 Czech crowns. You cannot bring Czech crowns. We bring only dollars on our great board, on our Trump democracy. Anyway, mister, let's go again. Make. Oh my God, mister. What do you have in your pocket? Show what you have in your pocket. So, aha. This is not good, mister. Show your pocket what you have else. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is not good. Good. Okay. So, mister, let's see what else you have in your pocket. Varta, high energy. This is like a bomb. This makes it's a chemical reaction inside, and we don't need electricity. We have a coal. We use clean coal in our great Trump democracy. Yeah, mister, let's go again. Oh, bloody tourists. Probably Eastern. That's it.